Hello, I'm Tony Welsh. I'm the Cloud Management Specialist at VMware. And this year I had an opportunity to work on vRealize Operations What's New in 8.1. And this lab gives you some insight to three main functions within that's new in the 8.1. First one is around Kubernetes, vSphere with Kubernetes, and looking at some of the different data points. Also virtual volumes. You can get some understanding of what's happening within your environment with virtual volumes. And then the third one is multi-cloud monitoring. So I hope you can take the lab. I think you'll find it a lot of great information. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Diane Scott, and I'm a Senior Solution Engineer at VMware. I've been volunteering in the VMware Hands-on Lab program for 3 years. I'm currently working on the Hyperconverged Infrastructure vSAN Lightning Lab. vSAN is integrated with vSphere and requires no new tools. vSAN simplifies your infrastructure, which can extend on-prem to the public cloud. Explore how easy it is to deploy vSAN using the VMware Quick Start Guide. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Dwayne Callahan, and I'm a Senior Solution Engineer at VMware, and I'm the creator of the vSphere 7 Labs. Now, here are the top 3 reasons why you should take this lab. In this lab, we're going to cover all the new features of vSphere 7, the latest release of our hypervisor with improvements such as vSphere with Tanzu, allowing you to run containerized applications natively, helping developers and infrastructure admins work together in a common platform. We'll cover lifecycle management, which enables administrators to easily manage their vSphere environments, including firmware, updates, and patches. And finally, it covers identity federation, which simplifies access control and reduces security audit scope.
Hi, my name is Kevin Moats, and I'm a Networking and Security TAM here at VMware. This year, I'm one of the co-creators of the NSXT Advanced Topics and Kubernetes Integration Lab. These are the top 3 reasons that I think that you should take this lab. First of all, this lab walks you through some advanced troubleshooting and data plane commands within the NSXT system. Secondly, in this lab, you will learn how to deploy the NSX container plugin and integrate it with a Kubernetes system. Finally, after you've configured the plugin, you will deploy workload onto the Kubernetes system and explore the automated network services and delivery provided by the plugin. I hope you have the opportunity to take this lab, and if you do, please leave some feedback. Thanks, and have a great day.
Hello, my name is Kevin Brady. I am a solutions architect with the Dell Synergy team at VMware, and I am also the creator of Tanzu Kubernetes Grid Integrated Lab for VMworld Hands-on Labs 2020. I'd like to give you a really quick overview of the top reasons I think that you'll love taking this lab. First off, it's going to highlight all the really cool, neat features in Tanzu Kubernetes Grid Integrated, specifically the management console, which makes deploying, administering, and monitoring your Kubernetes Grid, your Tanzu Kubernetes Grid products, super simple. Secondly, we're going to walk through Kubernetes and the deep integrations that Tanzu Kubernetes Grid Integrated has with vSphere. So things like vSAN and NSX. And then lastly, we're going to show the integration with other products, both VMware products such as vRealize Log Insight and popular open source products such as Prometheus and Grafana. I hope that you have the opportunity to take this my lab, and I hope that you enjoy taking it as much as I enjoyed building it. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Jorge Torres. I am a Senior Technical Account Manager at VMware. I am the creator of the Expert Workshop for VMware Cloud on AWS. Here are 3 reasons why I think you will like and benefit from this workshop. First, you will get a live environment assigned to you. Second, all the content has been updated with the latest features. And third, you will have experts that will be able to answer your specific questions. My hope is that you enjoyed and walk away with tons of knowledge from this workshop.
Hi, my name is Kevin Moats. I'm a Networking and Security TAM here at VMware. I'm one of the co-creators of the VMware NSXT Getting Started Lab. Here are the top 3 reasons that you should take this lab. First of all, this lab introduces you to NSXT Data Center, or NSXT, and the components that are required to make it function. Secondly, in this lab, you will learn how to configure logical switching, logical routing, and how to configure the distributed firewall. Finally, at the end of the lab, you will get an operations overview and work with some troubleshooting tools. I hope you have the opportunity to take this lab, and if you do, please leave some feedback. Thanks, and have a great day.